Hello, today I am going to talk about the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So as you can see here, I've already opened it a little. That's so I can demonstrate what it looks like on the inside. But it is very black, that is the color, and even though that's not really a color, it is 0.27 fluid ounces, and they claim to make your lashes look 80% longer. Maximum length and definition. So it is the winner of the Self Healthy Beauty Award, and it's used to lengthen your lashes. That's what I use it for. And it makes them look really bold. I've always believed in accentuating my best features, and that includes my eyes because I love my eyes, and so I lengthen my lashes with this wonderful product. It is cruelty-free mascara, which is really nice because I'm all for that. I've had mine for about 3 months, but they say to change your mascara every 3 months. That's what I've heard anyway, so I'm probably going to have to buy a new one very soon, but I plan on getting this exact same one. I wear it with my everyday makeup look. I don't wear a lot of makeup, or at least not, a very strong amount. So when I apply this, it just really gives a nice little touch to my already natural look. I love that. There's no clumping. It doesn't create these giant, really bushy eyelashes that just look fake. It just is such a nice little tool, and it distributes the product so evenly on my lashes, and it does dry really quickly, so it doesn't smear everywhere when I close my eyes too tight, and it's still drying. So that's a really important factor for me because I am very forgetful, and it is odorless. I travel with this. I'll keep it in my purse, and it's really easy to put on. It was made in China, and I like that it's purple on the outside, so it's really easy to find when I'm rummaging in my bag for makeup. And it does come off with your average makeup remover. It's not one of those really tricky products to get off your face. It is not waterproof, so if you plan on doing a lot of crying or standing in the rain with your makeup and no umbrella, then don't wear this. But those are not situations that probably happen every day, so this is still a really good average, mascara. It has never broken for me. I've never experienced that. There's no dripping. It's not that liquidy. So let's see if I can show you here. So as you can see, it's really interesting because it's very thin, the applicator. It's not all hairy, and so you don't have like these strong, hairs. If you know what mascara is, then you probably know what I'm talking about. It's a very rubbery feel, and it bends and it's kind of flexible with your eyelashes, and I really like that. So really easy application. It just distributes onto your eyelashes and creates that longer look as opposed to that thicker look without the longer look. Wet n Wild company offers various makeup products. And many celebrities even use this. They vouch for this product. Some celebrities that work with Wet n Wild are Alexis Bledel, Allison Hannigan, Angela Bassett, Jessica Biel, Mary Louise Parker, Rachel Bilson, Meryl Streep, Paris Hilton, Rosalind Sanchez, famous people. And their products are geared for all skin tones, which is really nice. So if you're a different ethnicity and have a lot of trouble finding a good product for you, then I would check out Wet n Wild. And they were launched in 1979. Now, I don't know about this product, in particular as a gift, but I would definitely look into their products for gift ideas. Yep, so if you're looking for a really nice mascara, check this out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.